What's up, everybody? It's your girl Stephanie, joined by Karen.
What's up, guys?
We are doing a Valentine's Day edition of SippingSista today. We are doing a little champagne drink, we're doing a vodka drink, and today we are doing something with tequila, something a little spicy. Before we get into these though, if you haven't already, please make sure to subscribe below. Come join the sisterhood. All right, let's get into it.
Let's go.
Gonna pop this bottle.
Wow.
A lot of people like pop it. That's totally not necessary at all.
Really?
So no, that's completely unnecessary. So you just take this little guy off,
Okay.
and then you just twist it and let it go.
Oh. Wow.
Professional.
Wow.
I've drank some champagne in my day.
Does it matter which way you twist? It's like a lefty-loosey or?
No, you just twist it and then you feel some pressure come up and just hold it. Because if you don't hold it, then it's gonna go flying. You just twist it a little bit and then the pressure will just pop it up. Yeah, so.
Okay.
It's very easy.
Okay.
People just are way too extra
I know,
about it.
I always get really terrified, but you made it look so easy.
Yeah, it's not hard. Actually, I didn't even go through what's in this drink yet. So in this drink, we have Prosecco. We're using a bit of gin, a Blackberry syrup, as well as fresh blackberries. For the Blackberry syrup, all I did was equal parts sugar, water, and blackberries. I just let that simmer for like half an hour and then strained it, and then this is what you get. It's really, really pretty blackberry syrup. You already tried it,
yeah,
right?
it's yummy.
Okay, so this is a really, really easy Valentine's Day drink with your boo. We're just gonna do this. We're gonna pour some champagne here.
Oh, that sounds beautiful.
Yeah. These are my new crystal glasses. Got them on Amazon for sale. The whole idea about this is you put the blackberry syrup in there and it's supposed to just go to the bottom.
Ooh, so
I hope.
It might do some lava lamp stuff in the
Yeah.
glass, huh?
Okay, let's put a little bit more champagne in yours. Or sorry, Prosecco.
Oh, Prosecco.
Champagne's only from the Champagne region of France.
Oh, I didn't know that. So where's Prosecco from?
Italy. So this is the Italian version. Literally the same exact thing.
Okay.
We're just gonna put a little bit of gin on top.
Yeah.
Just put a little bit, touch it there just for a little more flavor. Okay. Do you wanna try and
Yeah.
drop this in there?
How much should I put in here?
Just try to just do a little bit at first.
Okay.
Just drop it in.
So careful.
Ooh, I think that's good.
Oh, wow.
Nice.
That is so pretty.
That is really.
Wow. That is so pretty.
Okay, I'll do mine.
Wow. Oh my gosh, this is so easy. I can do this at home. Well, actually, except for that part right there. That took a little work, but wow.
Ooh, that is really beautiful. And then, do you want to pick a couple blackberries?
Okay.
And just
So it's like,
drop it in there.
okay, like 3?
I think just 2 is good because
2?
3
Okay.
might be a little bit too much. Ooh. Yay! How pretty!
Wow, they're so pretty. I can do this at home too.
Yeah. You were just saying that you don't really make
No.
cocktails or anything.
Yeah.
But this is super easy and really fancy. So if you want to go home to your fiance, make him
That is
this.
still, I've been like Beyonce for a year and it's still strange saying Beyonce.
Well, you only do it once, so.
That's true. Cheers.
Cheers.
Ooh.
Honestly, really just tastes like champagne.
Yeah.
But it tastes good.
Beautiful. I taste maybe a little gin and the kick in the back.
Yeah.
I can't really taste a black currant though.
Probably like, well,
Oh,
once you get
maybe-
down there
yeah.
too, it probably would. But it's just a really, really cool look. It's very romantic. So,
So pretty. It looks so romantic.
yeah. You do it for the aesthetic.
Like wine and dine. Cheers.
Okay, so this next drink is called Don't Take Me for Pomegranate.
That is so cute.
I found it on Google, looked up some pomegranate puns. Actually, Amy Lee helped me with that one last
what's
night.
up?
This drink consists of vodka, pomegranate juice, pomegranate seeds. We have some ginger beer, agave, and lime. And this is a stirring one. So we have our little stir guy right here.
I'm the stir master.
Okay, so we're gonna start off with the vodka. I'll stick it in there. We're gonna do 3 ounces of vodka for 2 little drinks that we're making.
Okay.
You'll see what the vessels are in just a second.
Yum.
So we'll do that, and then I'm gonna do 1.5.
That looks fun.
This guy right here. Like that.
This is like a shot, right?
Yeah, it's like 1.5 ounces. So it is 56 milliliters. We're just gonna do a little like touch of agave there. The recipe I found, like I always find recipes and then kind of switch it up a little bit. It was honey, but I like agave. So we're doing agave in there. I'm gonna do just the juice of half one of these, I think. So watch out.
Wow, that looks so satisfying.
Yeah, it is a really satisfying feeling for sure. Okay, do you want to go ahead and stir that up?
Yes, I'm ready.
Go for it.
I'm made for this.
Wow. Okay, while you're doing that, I'm gonna put this away real quick. It's all on the wrist, baby. I prepared these 2 little glasses. There are just these like little square ice cubes that I got. It's just like a little square ice cube tray. And I did 1 cube of pure raspberry juice. So not raspberry juice cocktail, it's that really bitter stuff right there. So I thought that that'd be good because as you're drinking it, if it's a little bit too sweet for you, like it adds that really tart flavor. So if you want to go ahead and just pour that in here.
Okay.
Actually, I don't even know where the strainer guy is, so go ahead and go for it.
Do I need the ice in there? No.
There we go.
Okay.
I'm literally blocking it with my finger. And don't go all the way to the
good?
top. Yeah, that's good.
Okay.
I am going to float a little bit of ginger beer on top. Or just pour some on top, don't float it. Like that. And then
Oh, that's cute.
more finger action. just put it in there. We're drinking it. It's all good. My hands are clean. And we got some pomegranate. I don't know how much. Just fill it up.
Just so that it looks pretty like that.
Yeah, there we go.
So pretty.
Pretty cute, right?
That is so cute.
All right.
Cheers.
Cheers.
All right, let's see.
Oh, that's nice and tart.
Yeah, I like this. Cheers to y'all. Happy Valentine's Day.
I'm gonna try this.
This is don't.
Oh my god.
No.
Oh my god, do
Really?
it.
Is it good?
It's just so tart, like pure cranberry juice. Oh.
Whoa.
Last drink is called Heartburn because this is a spicy one. This is pretty much a spicy margarita. So in this drink, we got tequila, Cointreau, we have agave nectar, limes, jalapeno, and we are rimming the glass with some smoked sea salt. Very fancy.
So fancy.
I'm gonna be prepping the limes a little bit. Do you want to
Yes.
rim this?
Yes, I will rim this.
I will help you by just putting some of this salt in this bowl. I think that's, whoa, that's good. That's
okay.
good, right?
So we've got some salt.
And you are just going to dip the glasses in the water that's in here.
This is the fun part. I've been looking forward to this all day.
Yeah, you can do a little bit of an angle there.
There we go.
And you can kind of, there you go, perfect.
I'm a master at this.
Rim master.
I don't know what that sounds like.
Okay, next one.
That's what I'm very good at.
No more.
Look
Great.
at that.
Those are
Perfectly rimmed.
Beautiful, perfectly rimmed. Now that you're done with that, I am gonna go ahead and chop 2 of these right here. I'm just gonna chop half of this jalapeno here. This is gonna be a real fresh jalapeno margarita. It's just a rough chop too, because we're gonna be smashing it.
Okay. I was gonna say, like, that is such a cool way of chopping a jalapeno.
Did I don't know, I don't really chop jalapenos. Was I doing it wrong?
I don't know. I don't chop any jalapenos. They just looked really cool.
Okay, I'm just gonna put the agave in there. I'm just gonna do a squirt like that.
Okay.
And I'm just gonna go ahead and,
Wow, that looks so satisfying.
here, why don't you smash it a little bit?
Okay. I love doing this.
There we go. Getting very active with the cocktail making right
Yeah.
there. Looks good? Looks smashed up enough?
I think so. More or less.
I'm gonna put the ice in there. So now I'm gonna do 4 ounces of this. It's rough. Here's 3.
Wow, that's a lot of
There's
tequila.
4. It's for 2 people, you know.
Yes.
And then we are gonna do 2 ounces of Cointreau, or you can do triple sec as well. I mean, Cointreau is triple sec.
What is Cointreau?
It's a orange liqueur. So makes it have a little bit more of a citrusy thing going on. And then we're gonna do 2 limes.
That's my favorite part.
You wanna do it?
Yeah.
Go for that.
It's gonna test my squeezing powers.
Oh. Here, try it with one hand.
Okay.
Like that. It's much easier if you just do it with one hand.
Much easier.
Why don't you do these 2? I'm gonna put ice in here as well.
Okay.
So, I'm gonna go ahead and start the shaking. We have all the ingredients in, right?
Yes. I remember you doing all that.
All right. You wanna try it?
Okay.
Just hold it.
Okay.
Nice. You kind of want to slosh it.
Oh, back and forth.
Back and forth.
Okay.
Yeah, there we go.
Okay.
Okay, now. Wow. That's what happens when it's kind of full there. Just gonna grab this guy.
Ah, that's how you use that.
There we go. Somebody is at the door, maybe. Here we go. This looks pretty good, right?
Yeah.
And lime.
Wow.
And lime. All right.
Here we go.
Cheers.
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 I'm excited.
Ooh.
Ooh, that's spicy.
That's spicy, dude.
I like salt at the very end. Adds a little mix to it.
Woo!
Wow, this is a fun drink.
It is.
Wow, it's yummy.
Now that you've had all 3, which one do you think is your favorite?
This one.
This one for sure?
For sure. I like the spicy kick. I've never had anything like this before.
You've never had like a spicy margarita? Dude, this is actually, it's spicy, but it's not as crazy as some other places. Yeah, because some places use like habanero and they put like sauce in there too.
Wow, this is delicious. This is dangerous.
It's a very, I think I got a seed.
Oh no.
I'm good.
Okay, she's back, guys. Yeah, take a sip of that.
Whoa.
Clear it.
It probably doesn't, drinking this does not make it better, actually. It makes it spicier. This one has like some really nice fresh jalapeno taste to it.
Yeah.
But other places, yeah, they can like make it seriously like hot. But I think this one's perfect to me.
I think that is a great amount of spice. It's just like a little incy kick of it with the flavor. It's like a flavor spice. I did a good job with the rim.
Good rim job. All right, y'all, that is it for this episode of Sipping Sista Valentine's Day edition. Thank you so much for coming on my show with me.
Thanks for having me. This is so fun. Guys, like, I honestly love watching these videos at home, so when Stephanie asked me to come, I was like, yeah, hell yeah, we'll be here.
Thank you.
Yeah,
thank you so much.
Thank
you. If you haven't checked out Karen's channel, which I'm sure you already have, but if you haven't, I'll make sure to link everything down below. She makes such beautiful videos. It's very inspirational.
Oh, so thank you.
Definitely check her out, and if you haven't already, please make sure to subscribe below. Come join the sisterhood. All right, see y'all in the next one. Bye.